Hi students, welcome to chemistry online classes. In the previous class I discussed about the salt hydrolysis. In the total 4 types of salts are there. In that first one is salt hydrolysis of strong acid, strong base generally do not hydrolyze, that is also I given one shortcut. And next one is salt hydrolysis of salt of strong acid, weak base, that is also completed. Now next one, third one is salt hydrolysis of salt of weak acid and strong base. Okay, strong weak acid, strong base. For this example is CH3COO-NA. Its name sodium acetate. Sodium acetate. How it is formed, that I will give here. So now CH3COOH react with the sodium hydroxide. Then these two cation anion combine to form CH3COO. This anion, this is cation, this salt formed here H and here OH. This will be form H2O. Already we know that acid and base combine to form salt plus water, like this salt formed. So this salt is an example for this salt hydrolysis of salt of weak acid and strong base. Not only this one example, many are there. So one example respect I will derive the pH calculation formula. Now this will be salt completely ionized, therefore I will write in the form of ion form CH3CO minus aqueous plus Na plus aqueous. This is react with the water. Already we know that salt hydrolysis meaning what is that? Cation or anion or both react with the water to produce the acidic or basic or neutral solution. So now this will be here H plus is there, OH minus is there. H and this will react to form CH3COOH. This is and OH combined to form NaOH. NaOH is strong base completely ionized at any condition, any concentration. Therefore Na plus OH minus this is aqueous. This is also aqueous. This is aqueous. This is liquid. Then this is same is there, that you cancel. Now here which is produced in this equation OH minus ion, therefore OH minus ion concentration is greater than the H plus ion concentration. When OH minus ion concentration is greater than the H plus ion concentration, pH is greater than 7. pH is greater than 7. pH is greater than 7 means what you have to consider, this is basic solution. Okay, now this is, once again I am writing here CH3COO minus aqueous plus H2O liquid gives rise to CH3COOH plus OH minus aqueous. This is also aqueous. Now this is having concentration C. This is pure liquid, do not having, it means we are not considering the expression of the equilibrium constant expression. So here this is dash dash T equal to 0 time, then T equal to T equilibrium time. Here C minus C alpha, here alpha is represented as a H. This is called hydrolysis, degree of hydrolysis. If you don't know, side note down, H is known as degree of hydrolysis. Degree of hydrolysis. Alpha is what is the degree of dissociation or degree of ionization. Here degree of hydrolysis. Then here this is C alpha, sorry, CH. This is also CH. Now we know that KH is equal to product by reactant. Here product is CH3COOH concentration and OH minus ion concentration and CH3COO minus ion concentration. Pure liquids generally we are not representing in this expression. In the same way, this can be taken as a C common and this will be represented C into 1 minus H. Therefore, we can write here CH into CH by C into 1 minus H. This is cancelled, therefore CH square by 1 minus H. And keep in mind, if H is less than 1, when it is less than 1, we know that approximation method. If H is less than 5% or 0.05, that time it will be negligible. Already given this is. Therefore, KH is equal to CH square. Therefore, H is equal to KH by C root. You remember it will come in the next. Actually, in the previous class I given the last middle step, but here only directly I given now. Now keep in mind this is the expression according to this equation. Now in this, which is weak is there, acetic acid is there. So acetic acid ionize into, before that this is also we know that Kw meaning what is that? Kw is equal to H plus ion concentration, OH minus ion concentration. Now weak acid, how it ionize? CH3COOH ionize into CH3COO minus plus H plus, like this will be ionized. Therefore, Ka is equal to product by reactant CH3COO minus concentration and H plus ion concentration. Denominator is acetic acid concentration. Now this is equation 1, this is equation 2, this is equation 3. Now from equation 2 and 3, then what we will write? It means 2 by 3 also we can write. Then equation 2 is Kw, denominator here Ka, that is left side to the equal. Then here, what is the right side? H plus ion concentration and OH minus ion concentration. Why I wrote here Kw is numerator, K is denominator, mean in this expression OH is numerator is there. Therefore, this should be numerator, this should be denominator. And also you can observe here CH3CO minus is denominator. If you write it is denominator, then only this is correct. CH3COO minus and H plus, and this will be goes numerator, because we can write here denominator, this will be goes in numerator. Therefore CH3COOH concentration. Now this is cancelled. Therefore Kw by Ka is equal to, this is CH3COOH concentration, OH minus ion concentration. Denominator is CH3COO minus concentration. This is exactly equal to which one? KH. Therefore, Kw by Ka is equal to KH. Now, KH is equal to Kw by Ka. We know this is a formula for KH. Now, keep in mind OH minus ion concentration is equal to, what is that? OH minus ion concentration is equal to CH. Now we can put here CH. This is a formula for H. Therefore, root H is equal to, what is it? Root of KH by C. Therefore, here OH minus ion concentration is equal to C into root of KH by C. KH value, what is that? Kw by Ka. Kw by Ka. Denominator C is the denominator C. But these each formulas are important. Directly they may ask in the competitive exam. Therefore, whichever I given in the box, you have to practice. No need to practice this total equation. At least the given formula in the box that you have to practice. Okay, therefore now OH minus N concentration is equal to, when you take into the C inside, there is C square, 1C cancel, then Kw is equal to Ka into here numerator C. Therefore this is OH minus N concentration. This will also directly will ask in the competitive exam. Now OH minus N concentration is equal to Kw into C by Ka whole power, root can be represented as 1. Now OH minus N concentration is equal to Kw into C, denominator K whole power 1 by 2. Now taking negative logarithm on both sides, negative log of OH minus N concentration is equal to negative log of Kw into C whole power, denominator 1 Ka whole power 1 by 2. Now negative logarithm of OH minus N concentration is known as a POH. This is minus log Kw whole power 1 by 2. Log A into B form is there, therefore plus negative logarithm of C power 1 by 2. Now you know that log A into B is known as a log A plus log B form. Log A by B is known as a log A minus log B form. Therefore this is here total numerator A, denominator B, therefore minus, and this can be represented as negative logarithm of Ka whole power 1 by 2. You just compare the previous class video for strong acid weak base salt hydrolysis. There I may wrote that 1 by Kb, that you change that. So you have to write directly minus log Kb right there. So here Ka, I may wrote here 1 by Kb. I hope that is maybe wrong. So you have to correct that. And now this POH is equal to, now this is also, you know that log A power x, already I given here, log A power x is equal to which one? X into log A. Therefore this is A, this is x. Now 1 by 2 minus log Kw, and this is plus into minus, minus 1 by 2 log C. This is minus only, and this is represented as 1 by 2 minus log Ka. Now you know that this is POH is equal to, this is pKw, half of pKw, because negative logarithm of Kw is known as a pKw. Now minus 1 by 2 log C, this is minus 1 by 2, this is known as a pKa, negative logarithm of K is known as a pKa. pKw value, we know that POH is equal to 1 by 2, 14, 1 by 2 into 14, minus 1 by 2 taken common, minus 1 by 2 taken common, and then here log C, then here plus, because this is minus, this is plus pKa. Now this is cancelled, this 7 POH is equal to 7 minus 1 by 2, we can write this is also minus, this is also minus, therefore anyone write plus pKa. According to this formula, this is minus pKa, and this will be plus log C. Then this is also minus, therefore we can write like this. So now we know that POH is equal to 7 minus this is. Now you can compare this with the previous. In the previous, what is there? Salt hydrolysis of strong acid weak base, their pH, what is that? pH is equal to 7 minus 1 by 2 pKb plus log C. Up to here this part same, their weak base is there, that's why pKb, here weak acid is there, that's why pKa. So this part continuation. Now we have to calculate which one? pH. not POH. Therefore, this is just comparison purpose I wrote. This is not our formula now. This is, so we know that pH plus POH is equal to 14. Now we want pH. pH is equal to 14 minus POH. That is 14 minus POH formula. What is that here? 7 minus 1 by 2 multiply pKa plus log C. Clear this is? Now this is 14 minus 7, 7 minus into minus plus 1 by 2 pKa plus log C. Don't multiply with this, already it is in the multiply form. This is, therefore don't write here minus, this is plus only. Now this is pH. If you have the common sense, then we can easily understand here plus comes or minus come, because here our salt hydrolysis, now it is a salt hydrolysis of weak acid strong base. This is the pH of salt hydrolysis of weak acid and strong base. So here which is dominating character? Base. Strong is dominating character. When base is there, base pH value is greater than 7. Greater than 7 means 7 plus something, what is that? Greater than 7. In previous, what is that? 7 minus something. 7 minus something, what is that? Less than 7. Therefore less than 7 means that is which one? Acidic nature. Therefore here dominating character strong acid, weak base is there. So dominating here strong acid. Here dominating which one? Strong base. When without like this calculation also directly you can answer their nature is acidic or basic, which is dominating, that respective character will come. But exact value to calculate you have to use these formulas, and middle that formula box formulas also they will ask. So you have to remember whatever formulas I given in the box, you have to remember that. So we calculated the pH of, one is salt hydrolysis of salt of strong acid weak base, pH of salt hydrolysis of salt, here also I forgot, salt of strong acid weak base, here salt of weak acid strong base. Now third complete, the fourth one is salt hydrolysis of weak acid, salt hydrolysis of salt of weak acid and weak base. Then one example for this, CH3COO NH4, this is a one example. So many examples are there, one example I wrote here. How this salt is formed in example form, CH3COO H plus NH4OH. Weak acid, this is weak base. This is CH3COO minus, CH3COO minus. This CH3COO minus combined with this plus NH4 plus this salt H plus and OH minus combined to form H2O. Now in this case, cation hydrolysis, this is, which one this is? Cation hydrolysis. In that, what is the cation? NH4 plus ion hydrolysis. In this case, which is hydrolysis? CH3COO minus hydrolysis. Here both are there. Which one? CH3CO minus also is there, plus also is there. So already I told you the one rank shortcut. What is that? CAAB. Cation hydrolysis gives acidic, anion hydrolysis gives the basic solution. If you remember like this, then you can easily answer. So now we know this is a salt. This salt ionize into the CH3COO minus NH4 plus and react with the water. Then this will be formed. Here water means we have the H plus and OH minus. H plus added to this is converted into CH3COO H and OH minus added to this, then this is convert into NH4OH. Clear? So otherwise separate also we can write individually. This ion hydrolysis, again you will get the same answer, therefore again cancelling, this is not good. So keep in mind, this anion react with the water gives a weak acid, this cation react with the water gives a this weak base. Now weak acid, weak base. Now this is C concentration, then this is also C concentration. If these are the C concentration, this is liquid, do not consider at T equal to 0 time. So then this is T equal to T equilibrium time, C minus CH, C minus CH. Then here CH form and this is CH form. Clear? After this we have to write the hydrolysis constant. How to write this hydrolysis constant? Already you know that product concentration by reactant concentration. But keep in mind, these derivations are no one asked in board level also and competitive exam level also, but you have to learn from this derivation formulas. Whatever the formula which is given in the box, they are very important. Directly they may ask in the your board level exam also or competitive exam level also. Now we can write this KH is equal to, product is CH3COOH concentration and NH4OH concentration. Next CH3COO minus concentration and NH4 plus concentration. H2O generally we are ignoring because it is pure liquid. These are aqueous form, liquid, aqueous. So pure liquid, concentration considered as a unity. Now we know KH. Here this we may be directly I want to write here. This is CH, this is CH, and this is common taken here, C into 1 minus H. This is also C into 1 minus H, C taken common. Therefore denominator is C into 1 minus H, C into 1 minus H. C cancel, C cancel. Therefore H square by 1 minus H square. This can be represented as KH is equal to H by 1 minus H whole square, because here also square is there, whole square we can write. Now this can be H by 1 minus H is represented as root of KH. Like this is there, 1 minus H by H, when it is inverse then it is 1 by, what do you call, like this, inverse form. So these are once again involved, therefore you have to remember these formulas. Now we know that Kw is equal to H plus An concentration into OH minus An concentration. Okay, and we also know that weak acid, that is CH3COO minus, already given in the previous salt hydrolysis. Directly I am writing here, you know already, therefore directly I am writing here CH3COOH. You know that weak base hydrolysis, weak base ionization, that is NH4 plus concentration, OH minus ion concentration, NH4OH concentration. Then you may ask the question here, before the cases what is the Kw is numerator, Ka, Kb is in denominator. But now here these are in denominator, these are in numerator. So this part is in numerator, denominator is there. Then what you have to do, this is equation 1, this equation 2, equation 3, equation 4. Then I want to write equation 2 by 3 and 4. Equation 2 denominator 3 and 4 is there. Now what is the 2? Kw by Ka into Kb. That is left side part. Right side part, what is there here? H plus ion concentration into OH minus ion concentration of this Kw. Now Ka what is that? CH3COO minus concentration H plus. Numerator goes CH3. This H consider CH3COO H concentration. Now Ka part completed. Next what is that? Kb. Kb what is that? NH4 plus concentration and where? OH minus ion concentration. This will be goes numerator. Then NH4 OH concentration. OH cancel, H plus cancel. Therefore Kw by Ka into Kb. Ka into Kb is equal to, what are there here? This part. CH3COOH is there, numerator. And NH4OH also is there in the numerator, and denominator is CH3COO minus is there, and NH4 plus is there. So this is equal to which one? KH. Okay, very well, we know that this is KH is equal to this. Now weak acid ionize into CH3COOH ionize into CH3COO minus plus H plus. This is also we know. Then when it is ionized according to this equation, weak acid, what is there here? CH is there, its concentration, and CH3CO minus at equilibrium, what is there? That is C minus CH is there. And H plus ion concentration we don't know. Therefore now we have to calculate the H plus ion concentration. So according to this one, that is Ka is equal to numerator CH3COO minus concentration. This is H plus ion concentration, and this is CH3COOH concentration. Then this can be represented as C taken common, therefore C into 1 minus H. This can be C taken 1 minus H we can write, and H plus ion concentration, H plus ion concentration, denominator is CHCC, cancel. Now there is no space, therefore again I have to remove this. Now Ka is equal to 1 minus H by H into H plus ion concentration is there. Now H plus ion concentration is equal to Ka into H by 1 minus H. So this is already is there. H by 1 minus H. What we can write this is, correct I wrote here. So 1 minute, H plus ion concentration is equal to directly we can write Ka into, according to this one, 1 H by 1 minus H is equal to what is root of KH, then root of KH. Therefore now Ka into root of KH. KH value what is that? KH, this is a KH. Then KH value is Kw by Ka into Kb, and this is H plus ion concentration. When K is outside, when it comes inside, Ka square 1Ka cancel, and then we got H plus ion concentration is equal to root of Kw into Ka by Kb. This is a formula, and when this formula is there, this is also important, you have to remember this formula. Now take in negative logarithm both side, H plus ion concentration, negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration is equal to negative logarithm of Kw into Ka by Kb. Whole power root can be represented as 1 by 2. Then this can be negative logarithm of H plus is known as a pH. This can be represented as a negative logarithm of Kw whole power 1 by 2 and minus, this is log A into B form, then log A plus log B plus into minus Ka whole power 1 by 2 log A by B form, therefore minus log Kb power 1 by 2. Sorry, minus into minus, because A into B form, log A by B is minus and this minus also is that minus. So don't confuse, because these are very small mistakes we are doing in the calculation. So don't forget that. Practice here very important. pH is equal to, this can be represented as 1 by 2 negative logarithm of Kw, and this is half log Ka like this also we can write. Then this will be minus half minus log Kb. Then we know that pH is equal to half, this is pKw plus half, this is known as a pK minus half, this is known as a pKb. Okay, this value is 14 by 2, directly I am writing 7, and plus this is half taken common, and pKa minus pKb. This is a formula for calculation of pH of salt of weak acid, weak base. Now here 3 conditions you will get. Before the condition what I told here, when salt of strong acid, weak base is there, that is acidic nature, because there cation hydrolysis. Another one is salt hydrolysis of weak acid, strong base is there, pH is greater than 7, because there anion hydrolysis. Now here both will be undergo hydrolysis. Then what will happen here? 3 conditions. Then what is the 3 condition? First one condition is pKa is equal to pKb. If both are equal, mean this value is 0, something into 0, 0, 7 plus 0, 7. Therefore, this is pH will be 7, that indicates neutral. Okay, second one condition, pKa is greater than pKb. When it is higher, when it is lower, then automatically what is that? Something positive value will get. When you get positive value, 7 plus something, 7 plus something, meaning that is basic nature. pK is greater than pKb, therefore pH is greater than 7, that is basic nature. And third one condition is pKb greater and pKa is lower. That time when you subtract something from this pKa with this negative sign, therefore you will get within this bracket negative sign. 7 minus some negative value will get the less than 7, therefore pH is less than 7, that is acidic. So these are very important conditions. You have to remember this, important for competitive exam, PU board exam level, very rare. And this formula only given in your textbook, remaining formula derivation is not given. Directly this formula here, derivation also not given in your textbook, only this formula is there. Based on this one problem is there, that problem also I will show you how to calculate. So I am keeping this formula remain same here. Now once calculate the pH of salt of weak acid, weak base, that is CH3COO NH4. This is a salt. Here Ka value given, pKa value given, that is 4.75 for acetic acid, and pKb value given, that is 4.76 for ammonium hydroxide. So pKa value both given, then what you have to calculate? pH you have to calculate. For salt of weak acid, weak base, then use this formula directly. Simple formula, pH is equal to 7 plus half, and pK value given here where 4.76. So keep in mind pK is greater, then what you will get? Basic. pKb greater, then you will get acidic. pK and pKb equal, near to neutral. Therefore 7.5 minus 4.76. Okay. So 1 minute. pK is reverse I given. I think this is pK 7.6 and this is 7.5 reverse given. Now if you subtract, only 0.001 very small is there, nearly equal. So no need to calculate directly, you can write here 7. And also you can divide, mean that is very smaller value. Therefore nearly equal to which one? 7. 7.00 something you will get answer. According to your textbook, answer is 7.005 is there. So it is equal to 7 only. Therefore this is neutral. Therefore neutral. So with respect to this, total 4 salt hydrolysis are completed. You have to remember at least final pH calculation formula.